Hello Geography 313 students. In this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how you can bring a text file into Excel and make a line chart off of it. Alright, so before you start this step, make sure you've gotten your Spectral profiles in Envy and exported to a text file. Once that's done, you can open an Excel file, go to Data, go to Get External Data, and you're going to go to From Text here. And you're going to navigate into wherever the heck you saved it. For me, it is right here. And you're just going to click Import. Okay, so it's showing you basically how it's going to come in as we're going through these windows. So what you want to do is you want to note what row the data actually starts on. It's 6. And if you look, you can see which columns are which values. Like column 1 is the wave. It says wavelength. It's actually the index. Looks like column 2 is April. Column 3 is June, and column 4 is August. So I don't really need all this header information since I know all that. So I'm just going to start at row 6. Alright, file origin is indeed United States. I'm going to click Next. Alright, so this part is the important part because right now it doesn't know how to divide the text file into cells. So what you're going to do is, if you did it the exact way I was showing in Envy, then all you got to do is click space, and you can see what the result will be. That the indexes will be in one column, the April and the June and the August will all be in them, different columns and cells. So once you've got that done, all you got to do is click Finish. And then you can just say what cell you want it to start on. Just clicking OK is fine. There you go. Now I'm going to add a row above, and I'm going to label the columns. Index, April, June, and August. Great. Now you're going to start at the index, select everything, go to Insert, go to 2D Line, and you can choose the first option. And look at that. You got your own Spectral profile that you can turn in for Lab 3. Make sure you do a little extra work to dress it up a little bit, change the name. You can say whatever your feature is, Ag, Spectral profiles, change the colors, yeah, and then you can turn it in, export this image, and put it in the your assignment and in the folder, and you'll have finished this lab. Anyways, as always, let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to help. Go ahead and email me, and I'll see you guys next time.